She used to look at you different. Now, something's gone, and you don't even know when you lost her. But she knows. She remembers the exact moment. It wasn't a fight. It wasn't cheating. It was smaller than that. A moment you've already forgotten, but she never will. Let me tell you when it happened. It was the moment you didn't hold your ground. C'est poussé. Maybe she tested you with an unreasonable demand. Maybe she disrespected you in front of others. Maybe she crossed a line and waited to see what you'd do. And you caved. You apologized when you did nothing wrong. You laughed it off when you should have spoken up. You changed your position just to keep the peace. In that second, something shifted behind her eyes. She didn't say anything, but she filed it away. He doesn't hold his ground. He bends. He breaks. And she started treating you different after that. Testing more. Respecting less. Pulling away slowly. You felt it, but couldn't name it. Here's what you don't understand. She wasn't being difficult when she pushed you. She was checking. Women need to know the man they're with is solid, that he won't collapse under pressure, that he can handle hard things. This isn't manipulation. It's biology. She needs to feel safe, and she can't feel safe with a man who abandons himself to avoid conflict. When you caved, you showed her something. Not that you're kind, that you're weak, that you'll sacrifice your own integrity for a quiet evening. And she can't respect that. No woman can. Not because she's cruel. Because respect doesn't work that way. If you're watching this and feeling called out, you're in the right place. This is what we do here. Follow for more. Now here's the good news. Respect can be rebuilt. Not with words. With action. You can't explain your way back to respect. You can't apologize your way there. You can only demonstrate. Next time she tests, hold your ground. Stay calm. Don't react emotionally. But don't move your position either. Say what you mean. Mean what you say. Let her be upset if she's going to be upset. She's watching. She's always watching. And every time you hold frame, you're rebuilding what you lost. It won't happen overnight. Trust takes time to rebuild, but it will happen if you stay consistent. One more thing. The moment you lost her respect, it wasn't really about her. It was about you. You abandoned yourself. You betrayed your own standards to keep someone else comfortable. And that's the real problem. When you respect yourself enough to hold your ground no matter the cost. Her respect follows, but it starts with you. Stop caving. Stop bending. Stop breaking. Hold your ground. That's how you get her back.